I want to give you guys a look into Medellin on a Saturday morning early. Yo, YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Kari.HQ here, back again with another video. So, today, I'm just riding around Medellin in the morning. It is not even 8 a.m. yet, it's 7:50 something. So, it's very early in the morning, and I'm on my way to the track in Envigado. So, right now, I'm in Poblado, kind of like in Las Palmas area, and I'm going down I'm still in Poblado, Beauty. So one thing that I'm testing out today, guys, is I notice whenever I do the videos with my helmet and on the bike and everything, I noticed the audio was a little bit low. So I'm hoping that the changes that I made are to my recorder will result in better audio for you guys on these types of videos. So again, we're in Poblado, and I'm going to Envigado. Just wanted to give you guys a look into Medellin on a Saturday morning early, see what the streets are looking like. You can see there's a lot of people out walking and getting a little exercise. That's kind of what I'm doing. But I like to go to the track over in Envigado where it's really flat, so you can, if you like to time your runs and stuff, you can have a flat surface to run on, because pretty much everywhere, not everywhere, but most of the city is just hills, and so that can affect your running time a lot. But it is cold today, man. Can't get a proper burr in, but you guys know what I'm going for. You can see I'm doing 80 kilometers an hour. Alright. Now I'm going to hit this left right here. This little exit. And then I'm going to just go right down through here. Try to slide through on this side. It looks like there's a little bit more space. There we go. Gotta watch. I was coming from the left, so I have to verify before I went right to make that turn. Anyway, going down here. This, guys, is one of the nicest parts of Medellin. Like that building right there. It's super expensive to live in. There's a lot of new projects coming up all over Medellin, but especially in Poblado. There's this one right here, more brand new apartments, really nice apartments. They're going to be quite expensive, but will have amazing view, I think. Medellin is always building more apartments, guys. Always building more apartments. There's always more people. I was thinking today, like, I know people, or maybe yesterday, because somebody was telling me, like, oh, Medellin has way more women than men, statistically. And while that may have been true, statistically from like a census point of view, I don't think they accounted for all the tourists that come here and skew that number, because I'm pretty sure, like I'm positive, I'm more than sure, that the proportion of tourism is way more of a higher percentage men. Oh! Ooh, fast. There's way more of a higher percentage of men coming here than women, especially to live. So there's probably 100,000, 200, 300,000 men that have relocated to Medellin, and maybe 10,000 women when you get 100,000 men immigrating. So I don't think there's such a big I don't think there's such a big surplus of women like people would like to say, but whatever. That's just one thing I was thinking about the other day, because someone had told me, oh yeah, like there's 7 to 1 men to women in Medellin. I'm like, there's no fucking way. There's no way that's true. Look at this old school. He's sliding down. Slide down on that joint. That Chrysler. The old school Chrysler. I love these morning rides. No one on the road. You could go. Just go. Maybe even today I might go somewhere outside the city later on or tomorrow. We'll see. Alright guys, now I'm arriving to, like, we call this 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞. 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞. This is like the border of Envigado. Kinda. This is the pre-border. There's another official border down here called La Frontera. I'm headed that way. I wonder, is this an electric bus? Looks, yeah, 100% electric. It's got that look to it. Alright. So, something over here is the official start of Envigado. To me, this is already Envigado. This is what I consider Envigado. So I think right here is the official start of Envigado up here. But, yeah. Envigado, the best, one of the best places to live in the area, in my opinion. Still close to the city, but it's also like a lot more chill and a lot less touristic. Yeah, this is, I think, the border, because it says the mayor of Medellin, that sign right there, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞. Let's see if there's an Envigado sign up here. Maybe like a welcome. I don't know, I used to live right here, so all of this I always thought it was Envigado, but truthfully, I think the official start is like right here. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, we are definitely in Envigado now. Dude is gone on his scooter. Love this area. Love this area. Pop down in gear. Get a little bit more speed. Gotta watch out for the cyclists. Got a lot of cyclists in Colombia. It's cold today, guys. Real cold. Almost didn't go to the track. Oh my God, it's freezing. It didn't rain or nothing. I don't know why it's so cold. It just gets like that. Anybody thinking of moving to Medellin? Or does anybody want me to go to a specific place in Medellin and do a video like this? There's a barrio, you can say, hey, you know, go to 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿 and ride around over there. Let me see what that looks like. Go to 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤 and ride around over there. Let me see what that looks like. You know, happy to do that if there's interest. I love this strip right here. You get a beautiful view from the bridge of Sabaneta, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿, and the whole, you know, south side of the valley. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna hit this little left lane, slide through. Man, I love this bike. It's the perfect bike for Colombia, guys. Shout out to Yamaha Colombia. You know, all over the place. Thanks to you guys. It's the police station, Envigado. Touch this left. Yeah, this bike is a lot of fun. That's the closest competitor in the market right now. This XRE right here, this guy's on the 300. Ugly, if you ask me. Supposedly has more power, but I've yet to see that. Woo! Need some flying ones. Just chilling out and about. Pop clutch, man. Like Nipsey said, you gotta pop clutch on them sometimes. Peace out. Alright. Taxis is up early. He's trying to get to that check, man. It's already the new year. He got new bills. We all got new bills, man. It's time to get to it. Got the Nolan helmet on the check-in. Cut the check, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Boy, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞, you are rocking with the best right now. The best Colombia, the best in Medellin. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. So I like to go this track every once in a while. I also run by my house, so I've been getting back into running. If you guys didn't know, I used to run a lot back in the day, in the college days. I run like, I don't know, like 6 miles every other day usually. My uncle, shout out to my Uncle Jerry, man, he used to get me up. He was a military dude, a Marine. He used to make sure we got that run in early too, like 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Shout out to all my Marines out there. And drop a comment if you were in the Marines. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service, guys. So we're almost at the track. It's just like right up here, bust a right, couple rights. Yeah, I at least gotta do a 5K today. And as long as I do that 5K, I'll be happy. And then I can get on with the rest of the day. That's my mindset right now. There's no excuses to be fat or overweight. It's personal. 2024 is personal. These beautiful little houses here in Envigado. Love these little neighborhoods. Find some interesting people. Alright, here's the track right here. See what's going on. Yeah, they're out there running. Okay. So I brought my box with me today. Usually when I go to the track, I will, so I can store like my bag, my helmet, anything else. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that ride through Medellin in the morning. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing, hit the notification bell, and remember it's your boy 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞. You're rocking with the best, man. I'm out. I'm about to go get my workout in. Here, let me show y'all the track really quick. And then I got gotta go, man. It's time to get to it. You probably seen this in one of my other videos, though. If you've been a real fan, if you've been watching. This is the track here in Envigado. People getting it in. So, I'll holler at y'all later on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. I'm out. Peace.